Welcome to Rajendra Tandon videos. We continue with Surdas Brahmar Geet. Although today I am going to make a small digression and take you to the love affair between Radha and Krishna. Surdas was a 16th century blind Hindu devotional poet and singer. He is known for his lyrics written in praise of Krishna. They are written in Braj Bhasha, one of the two literary dialects of Hindi. He is said to have been blind from birth. Surdas was a part of Bhakti movement spreading across the Indian subcontinent. This movement represented spiritual empowerment of the masses. In life of Krishna, as a young child, let me say as a young brat in Vrindavan, there were dozens and dozens of gopis, the milkmaids, who fell in love with the young child. They would surround him and he would take them along to the banks of the Yamuna river, make them dance to his tunes. And that became a part of Krishna Leela. The dances are enacted even today in Gujarat, in Mumbai, where women and men dance in abandon on the same lines on which Krishna danced with the gopis, where the divine child multiplied himself into as many Krishnas as the number of gopis who were dancing with him. Usually the dances were held under moonlight on the banks of Yamuna. Among the gopis, one who finds special mention in the literature of the time and later on was Radha. She was also one of the milkmaids, but was close to Krishna like nobody else. Surdas, writing on this, has woven magic into his words. He writes, खेलन हरि निकसे ब्रज खोरी, गए श्याम रवि तनया के तट, अंग लसती चंदन की खोरी, औचक ही देखी सह तह राधा, नैन विशाल भाल दिए रोरी, शूर श्याम देखत ही रीझई, नैन नैन मिल परी ठगोरी. When Hari went out to play in the Braj and reached the Yamuna bank, his body pasted in chandan paste. Suddenly he saw Radha. His eyes widened looking at her, and so did her eyes. Surdas writes that once he looked at her, he became fond of her. He fell in love. Nain nain mili pari ठगोरी, eyes to eyes. बूझत श्याम कौन तू गोरी, तू कौन है, who are you, O pretty woman, कहाँ रहित काकी तू बेटी, where do you live, whose daughter you are, देखी नहीं कहूँ ब्रज खोरी, I have not seen a woman like you. And then she replies in the same language, काहे रहत काकी तू बेटा, who are you, whose son are you, देखी नहीं कहूँ ब्रज खोरी, I have not seen you before. काहे को हम ब्रज तन आवत खेलत रहत अपनी पोरी। I come here to play. सुनत रहत शवनन नंद ढोटा, करत रहत माखन दधी चोरी। The son of Nand, Krishna, listened to all this. He was the one who used to steal butter. तुमरी कहाँ चोरी हम लए हैं। I am not going to steal your butter. खेलन चलो संग मिल जोरी। Come and let us play together. सूरदास प्रभु रसिक शिरोमणि, बातन भुरई राधिका भोरी। Writes Surdas that Prabhu was a romantic, and in his words he made Radha fall in love with him. Slightly later, Surdas gives us a description of this love affair in words which are unforgettable. It is Yashoda, mother of Krishna, who challenges Radha, why are you visiting my house again and again? Why are you chasing my young boy? बार बार तू यहाँ जन आवे, मैं कहाँ करूँ सुत ही नहीं बरजती, घर ते मोही बुलावे. She replies, I am not bothering him, it is he who is bothering me. He comes to my house, asks me to come and play with him. मोसो कहत तोह बिन देखे रहत न मेरो प्राण. And he tells me, I cannot live without you. Just like any young lovers. I cannot live without you. Choh lagat moko suni bani. I feel pained, says Radha. I feel sorry for him. She doesn't say I am also in love with him, but that is what she means. By your honor, Mother Yashoda, I am fond of him. So I come to play with him. It is he who invites me. I am not at fault. She is not saying that they are the eternal lovers of the universe. This play on words of love and emotion is unique with Surdas. No other poet could write about love in these words, such simple words. मोसो कहत तोही बिनु देखे रहत न मेरो प्राण. He tells me again and again that without looking at you every day, I can't live. This was the romance which became a subject matter of hundreds and hundreds of songs, even in the present day Bombay cinema. Numberless songs have been written on Radha and Krishna. Today I deliberately deviated from Bhramar Geet to bring to your notice how Surdas had described this romance in inimitable words. I hope you enjoyed this video. I thank you for coming, visiting this site, listening to me. We shall continue with Bhramar Geet in the next video.